We're gonna start by calibrating the distance. So here we know that Eloy is about to run 10 meters from the start line to this cone right here. When looking at track athletes especially, the cone is going to be out of the way, so it's going to be behind. We want to pay close attention to the perspective. So this cone right here doesn't mean that the distance is here, it means that the distance is way over here. So when we enter the reference length, we have 10 meters. Click on draw reference, and then we're gonna go from the start of the line to the end of the 10 meters adjusted by perspective. So see how the cone is at the start of that line right about there? When we adjust it for the path that the runner is actually going to, well, this is going to be the 10 meters. And there we go, we got 1271 pixels. Click on apply calibration, and now all of our graphs are in meters. When we press play, and the video stops, the data is automatically loaded into the graphs. And for example, we trim to the a little bit after 10 seconds, which is when he actually starts running. And then I'm going to double click the left foot index and the right foot index. So this node right here is the first touchdown. In the horizontal displacement graph, you can measure the distance of each step now that it's calibrated. Here we have that it goes from 1.63 to 3.93. So it's 2 meters 30 for that right foot stride. If we go from this vertical line, which is when the foot is in the same position, let's look at the left foot now. It's going from 273 to 5.23. From 5.23 to 8.13. From 8.13 to 11.4. Remember that we calibrated to 10 meters, but that takes into account the entirety of the frame. So you're not, unless the runner is starting at 0, you're not going to get an exact 10 meters. It's going to be a little bit more, and then you have to do basic math to get the actual numbers. But each one of these, let me turn on the picture-in-picture. This is when he's leaving the blocks. First step, first touchdown after the blocks. Left foot touchdown after the blocks. This is the toe off. Here is the touchdown for the right foot. Here is the toe off for the right foot. Here is the touchdown for the left foot. Toe off for left foot. Touchdown for right foot. Toe off for right foot. Touchdown for left foot. Toe off for left foot. Touchdown for right foot. Toe off for right foot. Touchdown for left foot. Toe off for left foot. So all of these vertical lines where the feet cross each other, it's going to be the stance. These are going to be the foot contacts.